Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Osintgram in your Kali Linux in Android. First you have to make your terminal update and upgrade. For making your terminal update and upgrade, you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. After typing apt update and apt upgrade, you have to clone the tool. So Instagram tool, you have to type cloning get clone and paste this link. I given this link in my Telegram channel, guys. I given every command in my Telegram channel, guys, so please go there, visit there and copy the commands. After that, press enter. I already installed this one, guys, that's why it's showing for me like this. It will take some time in your terminal. After that, change directory. For change directory, you have to type cd and afterwards you have to search for the Osintgram and copy it and paste it here and clear your terminal. After that, I can make ls. After that, you have to I given these comments in my Telegram channel, guys. You can go there and copy it and paste it here. That's it. And again with this one, paste it here. After that again and copy this one, just paste it here. Okay, I already installed this one, that's why I'm not making that one. After that, you have to copy this one and paste it here, and you have to make another Instagram account for this one. You have to make a separate Instagram account for this one. After making the separate Instagram account, you have to paste this one here, setup.py. After that, you have to set up the email or username and password. After that, you have to copy this one and you have to type python 3 main.py, and for example I will show this. After that, you have to run this tool. If you run this tool, it automatically start. So in this process, I will only show the how to install, only installing video here. So if you want a full practical video, so you can join my Telegram channel, guys. So thanks for watching.
Yeah.